I have two sets of keys. I have one for work and I have one for home. I struggle to keep hold of one set of keys, never mind two. I'm constantly leaving them behind or forgetting them. I've even tried lanyards so I can hang them around my neck, but with the nature of work that I do, I'm worried about them getting trapped in machinery. So I thought about getting AirTags, and then you need an actual pouch to attach the AirTags to your keys. And if you want something made by Apple, you can pay up to £40, which overall is £75 price tag. So I thought I'd have a look round for an alternative. These are called the Loshall ring from Hendra. They work with Find My on iOS, and the bonus is you don't need to buy an accessory to attach them to your keys. They come with a loop already attached at the top. The price tag, they generally run around £35 for four. At the time I got them for £23 for four. I have noticed that they do go on offer quite often. They're not much bigger than an AirTag. Once the AirTag is in a pouch, you just clip them straight to your keys. To attach them to Find My, you go to the Find My app, go to items, and then you press the plus button in the top right hand corner of the pop-up menu. Once you've done that, it will start searching. Go to the Loshall ring and there's a button. Press the button and hold it until it makes a bleeping noise. Once you do that, go back to the Find My app and it will find the Loshall ring. You add that device. It will ask you to name it so you can put keys. It'll also ask you to give it an emoji. Once you've selected that, click save, and that's it. It's as easy as that. It works exactly like the AirTag, so it monitors where they are and gives you directions to the location. One caveat that does affect the Loshall ring is the Find Nearby. If you have an AirTag and you're in the same location, so for instance the house, and you just can't find your keys, when you click Find Nearby, it will come up with an arrow that will rotate in the direction of the item. It will then also come up with a distance, so for example 10 feet. You should follow the arrow. The distance will start to come down as you get nearer and nearer to the item. Once you get close enough, it will then flash when you're literally standing over the item. The Loshall ring doesn't have that option. It does have the directions option, so if you're in a different location, the same as the AirTag, it will give you directions. If you're in the same building, you would need to use the play sound feature to find the item. When you click the option to play sound, it will start to beat. It will get louder incrementally. I've been using them for a couple of weeks now and they seem to be reliable. Have had no issues with them. They feel light on the keys, so you won't really notice that they're there. If you're interested in getting the item, I'll leave a link below and I'll see you on the next one.